I've doubled the amount of bows on the tree. Although, I wouldn't mind a few more. I want to put one there. And I want to put one there. And there. It'll look really boring from the outside because I haven't got any on the other side. I definitely need one here, don't I? I have to buy some more ribbon, Meg. Oh. Lovely. Should we do Jingle Bells? Because you are good at that one. I know we've done it a few times, but it is your best. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Oh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Yay! Oh, he's so clever. He hopes for a piano this year for Christmas. We'll have to see. I got Meg to pick me a mini this morning out of the post box, and she picked this one. And these are the squares that I've done so far. Did these whilst I was watching the Grand Prix. And it's this square here. Doesn't it look different when it's all in one colour? Hang on, I'll just look on the back and I'll tell you what it's called. It's called the Sun. It's different, isn't it? Yeah, but yeah, I think I can probably get another 2. I'm finding I'm getting about 7 squares per mini. I'd say today I'm feeling 90% better. That's good. I'm just a bit more tired than I'd normally be, and I haven't got a lot of oomph in me. However, I got up really early. I finished all of my Highland cow bags and they're now packaged up and ready to go. They'll go first thing tomorrow morning. So that's good to get that ticked off. I've got to do some ironing in a minute. And tonight I'm going out with 3 friends. We're going to go and have some food together, and then we're going to go and watch Wicked for Good. And Lizzie and Meg are going to join us for the film, but they're not coming for the food. Yeah. Watch the Grand Prix. And that's it. Done a bit of tidying up, finished the bags, packaged the bags. Walked Gary before it started raining. I don't know what that was. But I've got to go and get the school uniforms ready now before I go. You're tired? When James gets back, I'll get him to try a mince pie. Right, see you tomorrow. No, I'll see you later. Is that Ian? What's that noise? Don't know. Right, everyone, we're going to do our first official test of the festive season for 2025. Now, I had someone write in last time saying that you looked stressed after your work at Lidl. He just had a Lidl coat. It was a...
Did that really happen?
Yeah, it was a shell suit jacket that he bought from Lidl that he wears to go to the gym. He doesn't...
I bought it to annoy you because you thought I wouldn't wear it.
He wears it all the time.
It was like £4.
It didn't annoy me.
I like it.
Yeah. Because he had his work uniform on, you see. And he's got his work uniform on today. So that's why he's dressed like he's been to the North Pole. Maybe he has.
I am stressed.
Maybe he has been to the North Pole. Have you?
Stressed, Gary.
We haven't got anything to be stressed about, Gary, have we? We're all right now. James, I feel better.
Good.
Right, so the first mince pies that we're going to test are these ones here.
Is Gary allowed it?
No.
Not even pastry? You get people
He can.
writing in.
I will get people right in no matter what I do. If I feed him dog food, I will get people right in to say I'm not feeding him good enough dog food. I can't win. But Tesco Finest, he won't have any of the mincemeat.
Right, there we go.
Tesco Finest, rich and decadent, 6 all butter pastry mince pies. Now, do you remember the criteria that we're judging these on?
Yes.
I've also got a little reminder. Do you think we should just do how well does it come out of the tin? Like 0 points for bad, 1 point for not too bad, a few crumbs, and no, 0 points for falls to bits when it comes out, 1 point for just a few crumbs, and 3 points for comes out like I can't think if I can. Comes out well. Let's do that, and then we'll do.
Right, so each of those 6 things, we've now got 3 different ratings.
So that means that there will be a max score. This is going to annoy you. That means that each pie can get a maximum of 18. No, it'll be 36, won't it? Because we do it separately. Oh, I'm going to need a bigger bit of paper, James, for this.
Oh, it's going to take so long.
No, it's not. Right, easy peasy. First one.
5 for decoration.
We're not doing 5.
3
3.
for decoration.
I agree. 3 for
Well, yours is a bit
decoration.
wobbly, wonky.
Look at that. It's beautifully decorated. They've made the effort of putting a snowflake on top of a snowflake.
Hang on, what was the
So
first
we get
thing?
3 and 3 for that.
How well does it come out of the tin?
Right, let's see how well it comes out of the tin. Well, it has to have a 3 again. Look at that. Perfect.
All of them are going to do that.
No, they don't. They don't. You wait till we get down to...
They do.
They don't.
This is how heavy-handed you are if you're hungry.
So it gets a 3 and a 3 for coming out of the tin. Is there a topping? Oh, what can we say for that? It's a bit feeble. Look, it's got a bit of icing sugar on, but it doesn't come off if you shake it. I think we should get rid of is there a topping, because we can't rate that.
This video would be much more interesting if you just had the camera on him listening to you.
Yeah, he's going.
Yeah.
Right, next is filling depth. I'll cut it in
Oh, we
half.
have had some before when you cut them in half. It was just at the bottom. Is that what you mean?
Yeah. Yes, that is exactly what I mean. Oh, look, you can see the light through. Can you see it there, James? Look.
No.
Hold it up to the light. Can you see?
Well, at the top.
Yeah.
That's the bit that rises.
But look,
isn't
it's
it?
deceptive because they've made it look
Did you
like
think
there's
that
a
was gonna be
dome.
full to... None of them are full like that.
I don't think. I'd say it's not the worst, but I think it should get a 2 for the depth.
Look. They're all going to be like that as well.
But that's the point. Some of them will be fill up to the top. What are you laughing at? Some of them will be full to the top. I'm going to say that's a 2 because it could be better, but it could be a lot worse. That's good there, isn't it? Bad at the top. Pastry, James. Right, well now we'll try it. Just try the pastry first. There you go.
Brilliant.
That's the pastry. Just like mince pie, isn't it, really?
Pastry, isn't it?
It's nice though.
At least I love pastry, so it's really nice.
I'd say you can taste it is made with butter. Can you?
Yeah. Okay.
So I'd say, what would you give it? A 1, a 2 or a 3 for pastry?
We're not rating the pastry separate.
We are, because
No.
some of them won't be nice pastry.
Well, why aren't we licking the caster sugar off the top and seeing whether
We
it's
were
good
until
caster
I
sugar?
crossed it off.
Oh.
Pastry. Would you give it a 1, a 2 or a 3? What does this remind me of?
What?
Top, middle or bottom? What was that?
Like a barrel program.
Strike it lucky. Right, pastry. A 1, a 2 or a 3. I'm going to give it a 3 because I think it's nice. But
One
no,
good
it's
or
a
is 3
2.
good?
It's a 2 because it could be crisper.
What's good?
It's soggy.
2.
And does it taste nice? Does it taste of Christmas? This is the main question, James.
Well, the whole thing.
Yeah, now you can take a whole section.
We've smashed it.
Right, let's try it. Yeah, I like it.
Tastes like mince pie.
It does taste like mince pie. He can have a little bit of pastry. We're not feeding him raisins or sultanas or any kind of dried fruit or chocolate. I like it, James. And they're suitable for freezing. Does it taste of Christmas?
What do you mean?
You know when you smell
Cinnamon.
something, yeah, and you think, oh
It doesn't
yeah.
taste of cinnamon, if that's what you're asking. Does it taste of Christmas is one of the things you've written down.
Yeah. I think it does. I'm going to give it a 3. What would you give it?
Overall, or for the tasting of Christmas?
For all of it.
Out of 3.
A 1, a 2 or a 3.
What was the point in doing all them then?
Because then I'll add up.
What?
I'll
Is that
add
just
it
does
up.
it taste nice?
Yes.
Yeah.
So do you want to give it a 1 or a 2 or a 3?
3.
Right, well I'll add up the scores. You see, it didn't get a clean bill, so it got 6, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It got 26 out of a possible 30. What? Because we've got 5 categories now.
Oh, if you got rid of a category, I was going to
Yeah.
say 6 times 6 is not 30.
We've got 5 times 6
Yeah,
now.
that is that.
That's better, isn't it?
Brilliant.
And I would just like to say, do you mind doing this?
I think it's boring me being here, and I don't think anybody would want to watch me going all the time.
Yeah, but do you mind?
What do you mean?
Because I also get a lot of poor old James comments as well. Let's put it this way, he wouldn't do it if I wasn't doing it as well.
Of course I wouldn't.
Can you imagine?
Well, me sitting here. Right, time for the review. Who would watch it?
I would. I think quite a few people would actually. There. Right, I'm going to go. I've got to make myself look a bit more presentable.
Where are you going? Oh,
You know where I'm going. I'm going out for food and cinema tonight. So I will probably see you a bit later. I've got good news. It's pouring down with rain, so I'll get to use my umbrella to get there.
I'll give you a lift.
No, thank you. I'll go under the umbrella. I've told Charlie.
Oh,
I've
you
said,
mean that?
yeah, I've said I've got a good umbrella. Well, I think so. She hasn't replied yet. I said, do you want me to come and meet you? I've got a new umbrella. I need breaking in, so we'll see. Right, so I'll probably see you a bit later. So Tesco Finest, 26 out of 30. Quite a good... Oh,
We haven't got to start again, have
quite
we?
a good... Yeah, James, we've got to do it again. I slipped up then with my words. Quite a good start. We'll do another one tomorrow because James is off tomorrow, aren't you? So we'll be able to do another one, won't we? It'll be good. Right, see you later.
You're still there?
Yeah. stopped raining, hasn't it? Still got it with me though, in the hope that it will, what's this? That it will start again. On the way home. Or on the way to the cinema. Because I'm now on the way to the pub. I'm not drinking. See you in a minute.